Today I'm going to teach you how to catch a turtle. That's right, you've probably caught a fish before, but have you caught a turtle? Today you'll know how. Years ago my dad built a turtle raft and put it out in our lake, and he designed it in a way for the turtles to climb up and sun out, just like turtles are wont to do. But what it really does is prevent a great opportunity for a person with the right tools to catch a turtle. So, the first thing you're going to need is this guy. It's a snorkel. It helps you breathe underwater. You probably know what a snorkel is. Google it. Also, we have fins. Fins help you go fast underwater. You probably know what those mean too. The most important tool though to catching a turtle in Big Platte Lake is this. It's a net. It's a really long net too, because you're gonna have to be doing a whole bunch of stuff. So now that we've got our tools, let's jump in and see if we can't catch ourselves a nice red slider. Nice red slider. All right, so these turtles, they don't get big by being brave. So what they do a lot of the time is they hang out, they sun, but if anything weird starts to happen, they get scared and run away. So what I'm gonna have to do is sneak up on them. So from here on out, we'll be resorting to a new GoPro. That GoPro is going to enable you to see what I'm seeing as I snorkel through the water to get to where the turtles are hiding. So, let's see what happens. This is your classic red slider. He's a big boy. He's very mad. I don't want to put my fingers under the shell because he's got really big claws, and you don't want to put your fingers anywhere near the front of him either. He's pretty big. Usually they chill out after a minute or two, but maybe he just wants some seafood. That right there is how you catch a turtle. Oh, are you ready for it? He's gonna go out. Join your friends, tell everybody about us.